What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a right angle USB-C cable that you can use for your devices. So let's go ahead and get this open so we can get a look at it. All right, so this is going to be the USB-C right angle cable. You can see that it has a nice braided design, and it's encased in this alloy steel that makes it really durable. It has this Velcro that you can use to keep it organized, and it's nice and long. Now, this does come in different sizes, so you can choose the right size that fits the length that you need. So be sure to check that out. And this is going to be the right angle. Now, this is going to be a really unique design. You can see, if I turn it this way, that it has an aircraft type design going on here. So whether you like an aircraft or it almost looks like a bullet train. This is going to be a great gift for someone who likes aviation. And this is also going to be just a really good, durable, well-made right angle cable. Now, this cable can work with any USB-C device. It's going to be compatible with just about everything because it can handle up to 240 watts. So that's going to be both for power and for data, fast data transfer speeds. So this is going to be great for anything from your phones to your tablets and your notebooks, such as a MacBook. So if you're looking for all-around cable that powers your devices and gives you that fast data speed, this is going to be it. So let's go ahead and test this out, get this plugged into my power station and plugged into my phone. So when I plug it in, you can see the LED lights light up. So we have this green, then it shifts to blue. So it's going to shift through the RGB colors, which is an indicator that the device has power. If you look at it on the other side, it's nice and clean. So depending on where your device is placed, whether it's only going to be on the desk or in your bag somewhere, this can actually be a really convenient way of charging your device because it's not coming straight down. Maybe you want to protect it from actually maybe breaking your charger. So, and this is really close on the phone, so it's not sticking out a lot. So it makes a really nice clean connection, I think. So once again, guys, this is going to be the right angle USB-C charging cable for all of your devices. So hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.